Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create list in your ClickUp project in your ClickUp workspace. First things first, we have to log into our workspace and really focus on left sidebar of ClickUp. So in here we already created project number 2. This project has just one list, as you can see in here, and you want to add another one. So in top corner or in the same row as a project number 2 is this plus option. When we click on the plus option, the pop-up window will appear and we click on list. Here we can add a list name, which is pretty easy. Obviously, it should be according to your liking. So list number 2 will be mine, and we have the list number 2. You can name it project, you can name it anyhow you like. And as you can see in here, when you click on the folder, you will see all the lists, and underneath those lists you can just work as you like and change all the things that you really need. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.